Hello and welcome back to Ignite Code Solution. This is lesson 3 in our JavaScript Mastery series. So far we covered JavaScript basics, data types, and variables. Today let's explore something super important, JavaScript operators. Operators help us to do math, compare values, assign variables, and more. Here are the key types: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, string, and type. Examples: the total is equals to 10 plus 5 is 15. The score is equals to 10. Score plus is equals to 5. That's 15. Console.log 10 greater than is equals to 18. That's true. Console.log 22 is greater than 18. And true. That's also true. Console.log ignite plus core. Ignite core. Console.log type of false is boolean. Quick reset. Operator help us compute, compare, assign, and control flow. Mastering them is equal to stronger code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more, and see you in the next lesson.